Okay, so a short little video. You can call it Metamorphosis in the making. I have now an Elgato Stream Deck sitting here on my desk. I've got these clamps for the LED spotlights that I have right here. I have two of them. I've got Hue Phillips lights. I've got my wife's Canon Rebel T7i as my webcam. I have power plug. I have these spotlights controlled by IFTT. That's an if this then that, an internet protocol to automate your home. I've got the stands. I've got an old webcam. I've got the new webcam. And so this is kind of like Metamorphosis in the making. There has to be a before and after, right? So this is before. It's a total disaster, right? Some 3D prints there, a little makey, just very messy. And you can see my drone there in the back and my electric violin. But I've been watching so many amazing and helpful streamer videos on how to set up lights, how to automate with the Stream Deck, how to use OBS and cut scenes, that I am so excited to take this setup to the next level and produce some very good looking content to teach and to help and to just create content. So I'm just so pumped. I've got an adapter, an AC adapter for the camera. So this is a before. This is a before, and I think it's worth sharing because it's a disaster now. There's stuff everywhere, and I'm going to now change my attire and go do some woodworking so I can build a base to mount a wood base to mount these clamps so they're hanging out above the TV here. And so, yeah, super exciting place to be right now. So much to do, but a great place to be in right now.